Hi everyone. Today a look at disproportionation. Disproportionation is when one type of atom is getting reduced and oxidized at the same time. Here's two examples. I have two balanced equations, both of which are going to show us disproportionation. In order to identify disproportionation, I'm just going to assign oxidation numbers to all of the substances involved. PbO2 solid, oxygen is -2. The lead here, the total has to add up to 0. The lead is +4. Here's some other lead. It's lead solid. That's lead as an element, 0. Here, H2SO4. The coefficient at the front just lets me know that this is already a balanced equation. It does not affect my thought process for assigning oxidation numbers. Oxygen is -2. Hydrogen is +1. +1, that leaves the sulfur to be +6. Here on the product side, I have PbSO4. Oxygen is -2. These sulfurs are a little bit trickier because it comes from sulfate. This sulfur is also +6. That leaves the lead to be +2. And these waters at the back, hydrogen is +1 and oxygen is -2. When I now examine the oxidation numbers that I have, I can see that the lead here was at +4 and here it's +2. +4 to +2 is a decrease. That means the lead here in the lead 4 oxide got reduced. The number went down. But this lead started at 0 and went up to +2. It got oxidized. This lead got reduced. This lead got oxidized. Lead in two different situations, getting oxidized and reduced. That's disproportionation. A second example, I have Cl2 gas. That's the elemental form of chlorine, so give it a 0. OH, oxygen is -2. Hydrogen is +1. ClO3 minus, oxygen's -2. To have the total work out to be right, these chlorines are +5. Cl minus, -1. +1 and -2 for the water over here. And these hydrogen ions are also +1. When I look closely now, I see that the chlorine on the reactant side had an oxidation number of 0. It was the elemental form of the chlorine at 0. These chlorines in this is up at +5. From 0 to 5, that's an increase. This is the result of oxidation. But from 0 down to -1, that's a reduction. The chlorine got oxidized and reduced. Its number went up and went down. When we assign oxidation numbers, if we notice that one kind of substance, its oxidation number goes up and down at the same time, that's our big signal that we have disproportionation. And I hope that helps.